If Facebook looks too small or too large in Chrome, don't worry. There's a super quick way to zoom in and out, and it works in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the zoom level on Facebook using Chrome, whether you're on Windows or Mac. This is perfect if you want text, photos, and posts to appear larger, smaller, or just easier to read while you scroll. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook in the Chrome browser and go to the feed or page you want to view. If everything feels too small, the fastest way to zoom in on Windows is to press Ctrl and the plus key at the same time. On Mac, use Command and plus. Each time you press it, Chrome will increase the zoom level, making the text and images bigger instantly. If you want to zoom out instead, just press Ctrl and the minus key on Windows, or Command and minus on Mac. This will reduce the zoom level and make more content fit on the screen. If you zoom too far in or too far out and want to go back to normal, press Ctrl and 0 on Windows, or Command and 0 on Mac. That resets the page back to 100%, which is the default view in Chrome. There's also another easy method if you prefer using your mouse. Hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac, then scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or scroll down to zoom out. This is really handy because you can adjust the size gradually until it feels just right. One important thing to remember is that this zoom change affects what you see in Chrome, not your Facebook account settings. So if you open Facebook on another device or browser, the zoom may be different there. That makes this a great temporary fix if you just need a better viewing experience while browsing. Now you know how to zoom in and out on Facebook using Chrome in the simplest way possible. You can make the feed bigger for easier reading, shrink it to fit more on the screen, or reset it anytime with one shortcut. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast tech tips and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.